Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we'll learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 3, self-practice 6a of chapter 6 of class 8. Chapter name is Factorization of Algebraic Expressions of New Learning Composite Mathematics Textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we learn today? Today we learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 3, self-practice 6a, and topic is factorization of algebraic expression. Let's solve some questions. Now we solve question number 2. Question number 2 is one factor is given for each polynomial. Write the other factor. First with a is 7x plus 20. Here dash multiplied with x plus 4. X plus 4 multiplied with dash we get 7x plus 20. Here 7x, 7 multiplied with x, 7 and x are the factors of the expression for first term. 7x is 7 multiplied with x, and 28 is 7 multiplied with 4 is 28. So 7 is the common factor between 7x plus 28. So 7 multiplied with x plus 4, and 7 and x plus 4 both factors of this expression 7x plus 28. So 7x plus 28 is the product of 7 and x plus 4. Both are the factors. B. 15y minus 3 equal to dash multiplied with 5y minus 1. 15y. 3 multiplied with 5y is 15y. And 3 is 3 multiplied with 1 is 3. So here 3 is the common factor. So 3 multiplied with 5y is 15y, and 3 multiplied with 1 minus 1 is minus 3. So 3 multiplied with 5y minus 1 is, the factorization of 15y minus 3. So 3 and 5y minus 1 both are the factors of this expression 15y minus 3. So 15y minus 3 is the product of 3 and 5y minus 1, and 5y minus 1 is inside the parenthesis. C. 600x minus x square equal to dash multiplied with 600 minus x. 600x. 600 multiplied with x is 600x, and x square is x multiplied with x. X multiplied with x is x square. So here x is the common factor. So x multiplied with 600 minus x is the factors of this expression 600x minus x square. So x 600x minus x square is the product of the factors x and 600 minus x, and 600 minus x is written inside the parenthesis. Now we solve question number DB. Minus 3x minus 27 equal to dash multiplied with x plus 9. Here minus 3 multiplied with x is minus 3x, and minus 3 multiplied with minus 9 is minus 27. So minus 3 is the common factor in this expression. So minus 3 multiplied with x is minus 3x. So minus 3 is the common factor. Minus 3 multiplied with x plus 9. So minus 3 and x plus 9 are both factors of this expression minus 3x minus 27. So minus 3x minus 27 is the product of minus 3 and x plus 9. E. 50x to the power 5 minus 25x4 plus 100x cube. In this expression, x cube is the common factor. So x cube multiplied with x square is x to the power 5. As x to the power 3 plus 2 is x to the power 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. So x to the power 3 multiplied with x square is x to the power 5. So x2 is the common factor. So x and 25 is multiplied with 2 is 50, and 25 multiplied with 1 is 25, and 25 multiplied with 4 is 100. So 25 x cube multiplied with 2x square minus x plus 4, and 25x2 is one of the common factor, and 2x square minus x plus 4 is another factor, and 2x square minus x plus 4 is written inside the parenthesis. So 50x to the power 5 minus 25x4 plus 100x2 is the product of 25x2 multiplied with 2x square minus x plus 1, x plus 4. F minus 3y square minus 9y cube equal to dash multiplied with 1 plus 3y. Here y square is in first term and minus and y cube is in second term. So y square multiplied with 1 is y square, and y cube is y square multiplied with y. Y square multiplied with y is y cube. So here y square is the common factor, and minus 3 multiplied with minus 3 multiplied with 3 is minus 9. So minus 3y square is the common factor. So minus 3y square multiplied with 1 is minus 3y square, and minus 3y square multiplied with 3y. So minus 3y square is the common factor. So minus 3y square multiplied with 1 plus 3y, and 1 plus 3y is written inside the parenthesis. So minus 3y square minus 9y cube equal to is the product of minus 3y square and 1 plus 3y. Minus 3y square into minus 3y square multiplied with 1 plus 3y. Now we solve question number 3. Question number 3 is factorize the following expression completely. Factorize the following completely. First bit A is ax square plus ay. Here in this expression a is the common factor. In first term a multiplied with x square is ax square, and a multiplied with y is ay. So here a is the common factor. So a multiplied with x square plus y, and x square plus y is written inside the parenthesis. So x square plus ay is the product of a and x square plus y. B 4a square minus 2a square c. Here 4 is 2 multiplied with 2, and s square is the common factor between this expression. So 2a square multiplied with 2 is 4a square, and 2a square multiplied with c is 2a square c. So 2a square is the common factor. So 2a square multiplied with 2 minus c. So 4a square minus 2a square c is the product of 2a square and 2 minus c, and 2 minus c is written inside the parenthesis. C 28 p cube minus 42 p square cube. 28 is 14 multiplied with 2 is 28, and 14 multiplied with 3 is 42. So 14 is a common factor, and pq is p square multiplied with p. Here p square is in second term, so p square is a common factor, and q in first term there is no q, so we have to not take the common factor q. So 14 p square is the common factor. So 14 p square multiplied with 2p is 28 p cube, and 14 p square multiplied with 3 cube is 42 p square cube. So 14 p square multiplied with 2p minus 3q, and 2p minus 3q is written inside the parenthesis. So 28 p cube minus 42 p square cube is the product of 14 p square and 2p minus 3q. Now we solve question number DB. D minus 15 p square minus 20 pr. Here 15 is 3 multiplied with 5 and p square is p multiplied with p and minus 20. 20 is 5 multiplied with 4 is 20 and pr. So here 5 is the common factor. 5 multiplied with 3 and 5 multiplied with 4 is 20. So 5 is the common factor and p square. Here p multiplied with p and here p only. So 5p is the common factor and minus. Both have minus sign, so minus also one of the common factor. So minus 5p is the common factor. So minus 5p multiplied with 3p is minus 15p square and minus 5p multiplied with 4r is minus 20pr. So minus 5p is the common factor. So minus 5p multiplied with 3p plus 4r and 3p plus 4r is written inside the parenthesis. So minus 15p square minus 20pr is the product of minus 5p and 3p plus 4r. E minus m square and minus mn square. Here minus both have minus sign, so minus 1 is the common factor and m square is m multiplied with m. In second term only one m is here, so and in first term only one m, in second term n multiplied with n is n square. So here minus m n is the common factor and minus mn multiplied with m is minus m square n and minus mn multiplied with n is minus n square. So minus mn multiplied with m plus n. So minus m square n minus mn square is the product of minus mn and m plus n. F 48 y5 z3 minus 64 y4 z4. 48 is 16 multiplied with 3 and 64 is 16 multiplied with 4. So 16 is the common factor and y5 is y4 multiplied with y. In the second term y4 is here, so y4 is the common factor and zq. In second term z4 is zq multiplied with z. So zq is the common factor. So 16 y4 zq is the common factor. So 16 y4 zq multiplied with y is 48 y5 zq and 16 y4 zq multiplied with z is 64 y4 zq. So 16 y4 zq multiplied with 3y minus 4z. So 48 y5 zq minus 64 y4 z4 is the product of 16 y4 zq and 3y minus 4z. Now we solve question number GB. 21 y cube minus 14 y square minus 7y. Here 21 is 7 multiplied with 3 and 14 is 7 multiplied with 2 and 7 is 7 multiplied with 1. And y cube is y multiplied with y square and y square is y multiplied with y and y is y multiplied with 1. So here 7 and y is the common factor, 7y is the common factor. So 7y multiplied with 3y square is 21y cube and 7y multiplied with minus 2y is minus 14y square and 7y multiplied with minus 1 is minus 7y. So 7y 21y cube minus 14y square minus 7y is the product of 7y and 3y square minus 2y minus 1. H 16 x cube y square minus 20 x square y cube minus 28 x square y square z. Here 16 is 4 multiplied with 4 is 16, 4 multiplied with 5 is 20 and 4 multiplied with 7 is 28. So here 4 is the common factor and x cube In second term, x square is here. In third term also x square. So x square is the common factor. X square multiplied with x is x cube. And in second term, y cube. So y square is the common factor. So y cube is y square multiplied with y. And in third term, only z is here. So z will not be the common factor. So 16x cube y square minus 20x square y cube minus 28x square y square z. In this expression, common factor is 4x square y square. 4x square y square is the common factor. So 4x square y square multiplied with 4, x is 16x cube y square, and 4x square y square multiplied with minus 5, y is minus 20 x square y cube, and 4x square y square multiplied with minus 7, z is minus 28 x square y square z. So 16x cube y square minus 20x square y cube minus 28x square y square z is the product of 4x square y square and 4x minus 5y minus 7z. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube